This is a video presentation of the Haas TM-1. Go ahead and simulate a tool change. Go again. Okay. Next we'll go ahead and run it through its paces. Okay, we'll go ahead and fire up the spindle next. Sorry, I'm gonna. That sounds pretty good. Move it up a little. Sorry with the camera, I got to work this thing with two hands right now. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay. We'll just do a quick walk around the machine real quick. We do have the foot pads. We got the coolant tank and the shipping bracket for it. It does have the RS-232 port. This is serial number 37762, manufactured 09 of 04. Here's a look at the inside of the electrical cabinet. Everything looks good there. This machine overall is nice and clean. We'll come around here. And we'll get the hours for you here. This would be the debug hours. Oops, I passed them up. So that's what you're looking at for hours on this machine. Servo time 17,136, motion 12,776. Spindle 12751. This concludes the video presentation of the Haas TM-1.